Team Papua New Guinea, Team Vanuatu, you've got 30
Oh,
minutes for
well,
this
these are
challenge. Your ingredients are on your bench. You ready, guys?
We are ready.
Your time starts now.
Now,
Starting now. Right.
today we are making stuffed taro with island cabbage
Doing a
salad
video of them, darling.
and
Lemon
lemon
juice.
juice.
The bird man.
This is billy. I will make it into a local salad. Keep yourself strong so we can cook for others.
Bird.
It's very
Bellbird's
important
having
for
breakfast.
people to eat healthy in the islands. The amount of time you take to produce a nutritious meal is going to compensate for your health in the long run.